Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sar Kheda and my roll number is 2410994874. And right now I am demonstrating my task 2.1b by explaining the code logic and showing how the API behavior side by side with the help of using Postman. So in this I will start my application with the terminal dot run, as you can see here. So in this, on the left side, this is a startup configuration, and I have created the application using the web application dot create builder, and I then add endpoint API explorer, which will allows API discovery and testing. And then after building the app, I have enabled the HTTPS redirection for secure communication. So after that, now I will define the domain data. Robot commands is an in-memory list that represent all the valid commands such as left, right, move, place. Then the robot map represents the robot's environment, and it has a size property that will defines it is a square grid where the robot can move. So initially I have given the size equals to 4. Then I have made some the endpoints. So first we will write here this server 5134 and we'll send. So here you can see hello robot and 200 OK signals. At this set it will return a simple message so that now we can see the API is running. And now we will use all the commands like such as uh, if we copy this command here and this paste. So this endpoint maps get robot command. It will return the entire robot command list. And this here you can see Postman is showing all the robot commands in the response body. So now here I will filter the command list to return only command that the move the robot. So here you can see if I write this, you can here see here the response contains the move command only. Then our next command, as you can see here, this endpoint retrieves a command using its index, and if the index is invalid the API returns a 404 not found request. So we will try. As you know, if we write 2, you can see move command, and if we write 10, you can see 404 not found because this index is not there. So after that, if we want to add a new command, we will post here. Then the robot commands we will write here, such as back or back. And if sends, you can see here 201 created, and the back the response confirms that the command has been created. So if we want to update the command by the ID, so we will write here comma. For example, if we want to command like 2, and here fly 405 not method. Oh, we forgot to make this put because we are only changing one thing in the whole. So here you can see 204 not content, and if you want to see all the commands has been changed or not, we have to go to the get and send. Here you can see the 2 number index has been changed to the fly. So after that, if we want to the get robot map, so here if we want to the get robot map, we can write simply you can see here size equals to 4 and is square equals to true. It means it has been in a square grid, and has been map size or want to it update. So we will go to the put because we only want to change a single thing, and here we will write brackets comma size equals to like 10, and if we update this 204 node content, and it has been changed. So if we want to see the map size now you can see it is written as 10. So now if we want to code for the change the coordinate, so now 6 by 6 will work because it will come in a 10 and 10 square grid. But if we write here 25 by 25, it will give a false, and 27 it will still give a false. So now this is the domain model, and put I have used all the API logics which I have used. Now the domain model, the robot map class represent the domain model, and the is square is property ensures that the map meets the task requirement. It should be greater than 2 and less than 100 and should be in a square. So thank you.